What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. In this video today, I'm gonna share you some amazing YouTube tips on how you can get YouTube advanced feature for your YouTube channel. Very easy, very simple to do. My advice to you would be to check first if you already have the advanced feature in your YouTube studio. You just click on your profile picture once you are signing into YouTube to go to the YouTube studio directly. And once you are under your channel dashboard, you click on the bottom right into setting, bottom left, excuse me, and then you go to channel under the setting and then feature eligibility at the top right here, and then you scroll down and you will find if you have a already verified YouTube channel, you will have standard feature enable, intermediate feature enable as well, but advanced feature eligible but not enabled yet, right? So what you have to do, you can get either a video verification, you can get a valid ID, taking a photo of your ID and sending it to YouTube, or you can build channel history. My recommendation to you is to build channel history. If you are a new YouTuber just starting out on YouTube, looking to have all of these amazing advanced features such as external links to your video, right? And to be able to apply for monetization, right? And create more video and upload more video daily. My recommendation is to not waste time on video verification or sending your ID. My recommendation is to build channel history. Basically, you have to upload video to your YouTube channel consistently and make sure you adhere to all of the YouTube community guidelines and make sure you don't get copyright infringement on your video. So if you do this right, if you consistently upload videos on your YouTube channel for up to 2 months, then you will get automatically the YouTube advanced feature. That's my recommendation to you. Focus on making great content, reading and adhering to the community guideline, and avoiding copyright infringement on YouTube. If you want me to make other videos regarding these topics, let me know in the comment section below. But usually it will take between 30 days to 60 days to have the advanced feature automatically enabled on your YouTube channel. Me, I just starting out posting video just 2 weeks ago, so I will wait 2 more weeks to have my advanced feature automatically enabled without doing the video verification, without doing the valid ID, just building channel history by posting great video, great content that are helpful to people, people will like and watch my video and comment under my video. If you focus on making great content, your channel will grow and you will eventually have access to all the amazing YouTube features and be able to monetize your video as well. Keep in mind that I run multiple different YouTube channels for many years and I've always established channel history. That's how I got my advanced feature on many of my different YouTube channels, and it works great if you do everything right. Posting consistently, posting great high quality videos for your audience, and making sure that you adhere to the community guideline and avoiding copyright infringement on your YouTube channels, and you will be fine. You will get the advanced feature eventually, you just have to be patient. So I hope these tips were helpful to you guys. I hope you understand a little bit more how it works. Thank you for watching and staying with me to the end. Click right here in this video for more YouTube tips, and I will see you there. Bye bye.